Let's start. Today we will see how to use display and visibility attributes in the TradingView Pine script. But first, let's understand the meaning of inline elements and block elements. Inline elements can be placed alongside other elements on the web page in a single horizontal line. Span tag, anchor hyperlink tag, etc. are the inline elements. Whereas, the block elements cannot be placed alongside any other element on the web page. The block elements are standalone components and they block the entire horizontal width of the line. Paragraph tag, div tag, etc. are examples of block elements. In this tutorial, we will try to convert an inline element into a block element, and a block element into an inline element using the display attribute. Let's see the code now. In the body tag, we have used several inline and block tags. Here we have 3 paragraph tags. As said earlier, the paragraph tag is a block tag, so it won't allow any other element to be placed along its side. So these 3 paragraph tags would be placed one below another. And here we have 3 span tags. As said earlier, a span tag is an inline tag, so it can be placed alongside other elements in a horizontal line. So these 3 span tags would be placed near each other in a horizontal line. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, the paragraph tags being the block elements are placed one below another. Whereas, the span tags being the inline elements are placed one beside another. Now let's change this behavior. Let's make the block elements behave like an inline element, and make the inline element behave like a block element. In the style tag, we have written the CSS for the paragraph and span tags. Here the display attribute is set to inline. So this will make all the paragraph tags behave like inline. And here, the display attribute is set to block. So this will make all the span tags behave like blocks. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, the paragraph tags are now in a horizontal line beside each other. Whereas, the span tags are placed one below another like a block tag. Next, let's understand some visibility attributes. Here we have some text in div tags. The display attribute of the second div tag is set to none. So this second div tag won't be shown on the web page at all. Meanwhile, the visibility attribute of this second div tag is set to hidden. So this second div tag will be hidden, but the space that this div tag occupies will still be occupied and that area will appear like an empty space. So the difference between display none and visibility hidden is that the display none attribute will totally vanish an element, while the visibility hidden attribute will only hide an element but will keep an empty space in that place. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, the div tag with display none attribute is totally gone, while the div tag with visibility hidden attribute is hidden with an empty space. So that's it. That's how you can use inline, block, display none, and visibility hidden attributes in the CSS. Thank you.